R?
R. I'm Ruby.
Ito talaga yung full name ko eh.
R. Name.
Actually, sir, I just want to know, whose idea was it to bring History Con here to the Philippines?
It's my baby actually. Kasi I attend gun shows. I'm not a war freak, no, but you know, being the alpha men we are, I attend gun shows, car shows, bike shows. I realize no one has put everything in one room, put them all together. And considering that History Channel is into, ang viewers kasi namin is male, 25 to 54, yan ang strength namin. Sabi ko, the eureka moment, why not put them all together? That was in October, not November of last year. Then I pitched it to the network, to regional, and then to New York, and they said, wow, why don't you do that? And it's been a challenging event. Kasi imagine we have over 100 exhibitors. This is huge for me, because the biggest thing that I've ever done for history was to break world records. But this is not just breaking world records, you have exhibits, talks. So yun, the idea came, it is of Philippine origin. Yun, I'm proud to say that.
It's a follow-up. Actually, I used to be a professor of history, so actually this is something I forget, but yeah, I also follow History Channel, and I'm wondering, maybe it can also provide shed some light, is why are the shows not exactly history per se?
Because that's representing history in an entertaining way. Kasi, di ba, remember History Channel started out as documentaries yan eh. But you know, viewer tastes change. That's why we have to present history in such a way that it will be palatable to the tastes, especially the young ones. Kaya nga, who would have ever thought that there's a show in a pawn shop? Diba?
Yeah, that's one.
And yet, it's so successful that these guys are earning $6 and they're now building a mall. It's so successful. So, yung pala, merong way of presenting history na not your usual narration. It can be through drama, it can be through reality, it can be through, mga factual.
That's it. Yeah, this is something I've been dying to know. Like Pawn Stars in particular. So I've been watching that show, and I'm still trying to figure out where's the history in Pawn Stars.
Diba when, you know, like Philippines was, as far as I know, twice Philippines was featured there when someone brought the Chris, the sword, diba, that made in Mindanao. So doon, Rick explained that this is made in this area in the Philippines, and it started by the Sultanate, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's another one, if I remember it right, involving a World War II photograph. Kasi I know there's this fighter plane that crashed here in the Philippines, and there's a photograph. And again, Rick explained the history involving the Philippines dun sa konteksto mo.
The reason why I ask is, some of my former colleagues are really skeptical coming here. These are history professors also.
I know.
Yeah, they're trying to find, pretty much the same question I just asked you. That's right.
But you know, I don't think we're different from the likes of, I'm not sure if I should be using, like sila Ambet, di ba? When you read his column, ikikwento niya yung history, for example, netong Urinal or Arinola, in an entertaining way. Di ba, even yung food, doon pinapasok yung history. And then that's how people are glued in and they read these columns. Kasi again, if you present in 1965, blah blah blah, you get that in the history books. And I guess that's we leave that to our professors. But there are tidbits there, there are trivias there na hindi mo na makikita sa mga libro, which we get to show on TV or in this column.
Sure. I'm also a trivia enthusiast, a quiz enthusiast.
Okay.
So Okay, more of a suggestion. It's not a question anymore.
Okay.
I wish that History Channel would introduce quiz shows. Actually, because I know a lot of people would be very interested.
No, but we did that already. Like yung history hustle, kaya nga may audition. Like meron kong parang live, ano yun interview ka, where did Manila get its name? Yung mga trivia ganun, we did a show on that.
Oh, you're the one who put this.
Yeah, history hustle, we did that. O kaya yung extreme hidden cities, yung mga underground.
But also regarding that history, I know this, you only limited it to schools. How about those who are professionals? Is there any plan? Are there any plans?
I'll bring it up with them. Yeah, you're right. Kasi ang objective naman doon is yun nga to connect to the younger generations na. Kasi ang channel is really more on medyo graduates na eh. But kumbaga we're planting the seeds already on the students. But I'll bring it up, no, yung professional.
It's because the reason why I know a lot of people who are very interested, are quiz enthusiasts.
I know.
That's why, I was really eager to take part and somewhat a bit upset. It's only for the students. Although, I'm
Malay mo next year when we do history.
You will be part.
Presuming I'm still with A&E Networks.
Okay. And I'm also looking forward to that airsoft, that Top Shot format because I'm also a shooting enthusiast. And I practice with real guns and airsoft. So I'm really...
Ako I really wanted na maglagay ng real guns. I mean, I believe in a gunless society, but there's history there on the guns. But again, we are a Walt Disney company.
Okay. I belong to the other side of the fence in that argument.
Okay.
Follow up for his question. Since this is like a trade show also,
Yeah.
then you have your speakers. Do we expect the people going there? Do they expect that there will be also like daily lecturers or
Yes,
daily?
may daily schedule yan. There's gonna be a daily schedule.
Where you have a speaker from all sort of fields?
That's right. We have a number of, yung kanina pinakita ko, we have speakers on, other than our talents, we have speakers on World War II. I forgot his name, Professor.
Custodio, is that or Javier?
Yung magkapatid.
Oh.
I can't remember.
Ah, they're the author of the war in
Basta we have that. We have a speaker on natural calamities, yung surviving in natural. Si Doc Tedes Guerra.
I met him in the gun show.
Yeah, he'll be there.
Mga preppers.
Preppers. We also have a speaker on bike restoration. We have a speaker on yung dogs, yung training dogs. So may lineup, yun ang inaayos.
How about for the younger, since most of these are more technical already, do you have also for topics for children, since you're also targeting the younger?
Sa amin yung younger
like the
namin is
basic,
more on the history thing. Yun yung namin, for the younger generation. Teka,
Matawag?
selfie
Sige
up
po.
Selfie with us?
Ano ka,
Wala ako.
Okay, next question.
Okay, actually, not a question anymore, sir. Actually, regarding history, I'm going to volunteer as a resource person, researcher.
Yes, please.
Because I write questions for a pub quiz, so I have lots of, I've written tons of questions already.
Perfect. Ayan, yung si Mashi Charis. Yan ang kausapin mo.
Okay.
Kasi yun din ang instruction ko sa kanila, mamaya nagpapa-contest tayo, tapos may mag-dispute. Mali yung tanong o mali yung sagot.
I'm going to volunteer as a resource person.
Yes, please, please.
Sir, ako question. Sir, ang question ko is, you mentioned na may magbubukay ng mga local shows.
Yes.
Can you give us a hint kung ano yung mga
The hint is in the exhibitors. So may makikita kang restorers, customizers, pickers. That's the hint.
We will adapt it to the Philippine setting.
Pero how many will that be?
It's one full show. Two shows.
Two shows.
So ang mangyayari, parang ang format, may host. Pupunta sa Marikina, pupunta sa Montalban, pupunta sa Clark. I-feature yung mga ginagawa or yung napipick. Kasi that's very unique sa atin. Kasi yung head office namin wants to replicate history worldwide. Si Singapore, Hong Kong, hindi niya magawa kasi wala naman silang restorers. Kasi they buy brand new eh. Kaya lamang na lamang tayo and we can do that here.
So,
I cannot give you yet which ano yung title ng show, but that should give you a hint of it.
You get some idea already.
so kasama yung ano siguro yung the bike.
Bye. That's why there's audition eh. Sila yung mga
And then how about those people na they're into
Uy,
pick?
kain ah.
Sige po. How about those people na into picking trash literally? Because I know a lot of them.
The
Ay,
cycling.
wala pa ata. Hindi ko alam.
No,
Yung cycle restore?
they're like the pickers, and then they would look for. They're like what do you call it? There's one show na they would look
Age of
for.
restoration?
No, there's one.
No, you mean
the
they-
auction of
No,
the auction of those
sa Philippines,
old,
ang meron yan, ang term namin dyan, repurposing. Na nag-aano ng junk, tapos i-repurpose into something else. Pero not yung junk per se, pero inaayos and then they repurpose.
No, kasi there's also a show na in Great Britain and later adapted in the United States that they buy those junk and then they resell it sa auction.
Talaga?
Di ba, I'll just give you the
Okay.
ano.
Ayos din.
So, ikaw. Yun lang yung ano ko. I forgot the show pero pinapalabas siya, then pinapa-auction off nila yung mga old things and material. Some of them would earn a little bit money, some of them will not.
Pero
like the
natutunan
concept
sa
of the show.
Filipino pickers natin dito, pati sa States, no? Ang misconception dito, ang akala ng tao, kahit porket luma, may value na. Apparently there is, I'm not sure if it's a science or an art to that. Pero meron palang hindi papatok, I don't know.
Because probably of the antique, they thought that it's old and it's already, there's the antiquity value.
Saka pag ano, limited edition, gano'n. Oh, tapos na? Wala na. Yun lang question ko.
Is it that under Disney rin pa, no?
Yeah. Sa Disney company.
Okay, there's case by ano.
Okay.
Ang dami nang pumapasok sa amin, sigarilyo, vape, barel, pwede.
But the cigarettes, there are old brands before, I think in Bahay Chinoy, which were designed by Amor Solo. The packaging,
Talaga?
they're already defunct cigarette manufacturers. Kasi I'm also a museum volunteer.
Talaga?
The packaging of old cigarettes. We like to show hopefully to be very, very successful and like
Sana, hindi. Mawala na ang trabaho.
This is your baby.
Mahirap pa naman ng... Oh, baby
Yung
girl.
lagi siya pinapanood ko. Okay.
Alam?
Yung lagi pinapanood channel, lagi pinapanood ko.
Merong maganda ngayon eh na yung lumabas na ngayon, Roots. Di ba yung movie na Roots
Alex
dati?
Haley.
Sila Lawrence Fishburne yun. Akala ko sa Philippines hindi papatok. Throughout Asia, nag-number 1 siya. So ngayon, may isang pinopromote na yung 6. Kasi yung SEAL Team 6 yung pumatay kay Bin Laden. May series din kami.
Kasi kayo ko kapag minsan hindi
Yun na.
schedule kaya wala kang idea kung ano nakaano.
Paano ba yung cable mo?
Sky cable. Pero nag-stop kasi ako eh. Hindi kaya ng schedule.
May kain na.
parting, ano ka na, parting, pa-parting, ano ka na, yung tatanong ka pa.
O siguro invitation na lang ulit.
Okay.
Oh, sir, invite na kayo ulit.
Tayo rin. Ano, sino yung babanggitin mo si...
Kahit sino,
What's up?
in general na lang po. In general
Okay.
na lang.
Hi, I'm Jack Kubi. I'm from A&E Networks. Again, I wish to invite your subscribers, your fans, to please come and visit us at the World Trade Center from August 25 to August 28 for the History Convention. You get to meet celebrities, you get to break world records, you get to watch boxing, pwede kayo magpatattoo, pwede kayo sumali sa history contest. And please come and visit us and leave your mark there. Thank you.